We welcome the editors from the African continent in particular, and trust that you will find your visit meaningful and enjoyable. I would have loved to be with you in person, given the importance of your conference, but am unfortunately prevented to do so by prior commitments. Your program contains very topical issues such as climate change, as well as media development and sustainability, which are not only relevant to the media industry, but also to us in government. Let me emphasize that our country values media freedom and freedom of expression to such an extent that this right is enshrined in the Constitution. Many freedom fighters in our country fought long and hard for media freedom, and they will continue to defend it, because a free media is a cornerstone of any democracy. We see your conference in that light. Your meeting is providing a platform for the media to discuss serious developmental issues. We value this because journalists need to use their privileged access to the instruments of communication for the betterment of society. In December, South Africa will host the United Nations Climate Change Conference in Durban. We look forward to working with you during that conference as the world gets together to discuss solutions to the challenge of climate change. I wish you all the best with the deliberations and look forward to receiving your resolutions of this conference. I thank you.